In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your Word document using a picture you choose. This is a great way to personalize your documents or to brand your work. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the document you wish to work on in Microsoft Word. Once you have that open, direct your attention to the top of the window, where you'll see a series of tabs on the ribbon. Look for the one labeled Design. You'll click on this tab to access a variety of options that allow you to customize the aesthetic aspects of your document. Within the Design tab, focus your eyes on the Page Background group. This area contains tools to modify the backdrop of your pages. Here, you'll find a button labeled Watermark. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down menu with several pre-made watermark options, but we're aiming for a more personalized touch. Select Custom Watermark from the drop-down. Depending on your version of Word, this option might also appear as Picture Watermark or simply Custom Watermark. Selecting this will open a dialog box that provides several options for customization. In this dialog box, you'll see an option for a picture watermark. Go ahead and select that. You're now ready to choose the image you want to use as your watermark. To do this, click on the Select Picture button. This will open a File Explorer window. From here, you can browse through the images stored on your computer, or if you store your images in the cloud, such as OneDrive, you'll have the option to access those as well. You might even see an option to search for images online, such as Bing, depending on how your computer is set up. With your picture selected, you can now make some adjustments to how it appears on the page. You'll notice an option labeled Scale, which allows you to change how large or small your image appears relative to the page. You might want it to take up most of the page as a faint background or just to sit quietly in one corner. Adjust this setting to suit your needs. There's also a checkbox marked Washout. Checking this box will create a faded or transparent effect on your image, making it blend with the text and ensuring it doesn't overpower the document's content. After fine-tuning these settings to your liking, go ahead and click OK to apply your watermark. Alternatively, some versions of Word might have an Apply button. Clicking this will add the watermark to your document, and voila! Your document has now been personalized with your chosen image. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add a picture watermark to your Word document, turning your standard pages into something unique and tailored just for your needs. Happy customizing!